you doing, everyone? I hope everything is alright with you. The letter we have today is Dhāl. Dhāl. It is the same as the sound of th as in this. As for the shape, it has the same shape of Dhāl. The only difference is the dot. To draw Dhāl in the isolated form, we draw a small line diagonally down. Then we turn left with a small straight line and add the dot. A small line diagonally down, a small straight line. Then the dot. Will you try it on your own? And please pronounce the sound as you draw it. When Dhāl comes in initial position, it stands alone, simply like this. However, in a medial or final position, its shape changes a bit. It comes attached to a connecting segment extended from the previous letter. Here is the extended segment coming from the previous letter, and from here we go diagonally upward and back to turn left for the straight line. Then we add the dot. From the extended segment, diagonally upward, then go back to turn left for the straight line and add the dot. To see these two forms in actual words, let's check some examples. Here, Dhāl came in initial position. It stands totally alone, taking the isolated form. When it comes in a medial position, it joins the preceding letter that ended in a connecting segment. In a final position, it takes the same shape as in the medial, starting from the connecting segment. Sometimes, Dhāl comes preceded by a non-connecting letter, a letter that can provide a connecting segment. In this case, Dhāl stands alone, taking the isolated form. And by now, you must have concluded that Dhāl itself, as well as Dhāl, are non-connecting letters. Whether it comes in the isolated form or the connected form, it can provide a connecting segment for the following letter. Please practice writing the two forms. You will find the writing sheet to help you with your practice on the link in the description box below. And remember to pronounce the sound of Dhāl as you draw it.